I would like to share with you a poem which touches me very deeply. The poet is unknown. I love you. I love you just the way you are. You are a beautiful being, just like me. There is nothing and no one you cannot love. You can love everything and everybody. Love everything and everybody. Most of the suffering comes from when you feel less than someone else. You are nothing less than who or what. You are creating your life in a perfect way. You are a creator, just like me. We are one. And where do we create our life from? From fear or from unconditional love? I let go of my fear for you because I love you.